Introduction: the power of meal planning.
Meal planning can reduce weekday stress and help families eat healthier. With busy schedules and various food preferences, finding a simple routine makes mealtime smoother. By preparing just a bit in advance, you can save time, money, and encourage everyone to enjoy meals together.
Tip 1. Start with a weekly meal calendar.
Create a basic weekly meal calendar to guide your choices. List family favorites, plan for leftovers, and choose easy recipes for busy nights. Involve everyone by asking for their preferred dishes, which keeps mealtime exciting and diverse. This preparation helps avoid last-minute takeout and food waste.
Tip 2. Shop smart and stock up.
Make grocery shopping easier by keeping a running list of staples your family uses often. Purchase versatile ingredients like rice, pasta, beans, and frozen vegetables, which can work in various meals. Having essentials on hand means you can pull together quick, healthy meals even when plans change.
Tip 3. Batch cook and prep ahead.
Dedicate time each week to batch cook key ingredients such as grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, or cooked grains. Store them in the fridge for easy assembly throughout the week. Pre-chopping fruits and veggies also encourages healthy snacking and faster meal prep for busy evenings.
Tip 4. Mix and match meals.
Design your meal plans with flexible components. Prepare a few proteins and sides, then let family members build their own meals, like rice bowls, tacos, or salads. This approach accommodates various tastes, reduces dinnertime complaints, and keeps meals interesting without extra work.
Tip 5. Embrace simple, nutritious recipes.
Choose recipes with few ingredients and minimal steps for busy nights. Sheet pan dinners, slow cooker meals, and one-pot pastas are fast, family-friendly, and require less cleanup. Focus on including a veggie, protein, and grain for a balanced plate every time.
Conclusion: make meal planning work for you.
Successful meal planning doesn't have to be complicated. With a basic routine and some simple prep, you can satisfy diverse tastes, lessen dinner stress, and enjoy more time with family. Adjust these tips to fit your schedule and preferences, and watch mealtime become a highlight, not a hassle.